when it comes to your taxes, a little legwork can go a long way.
If you do not itemize deductions or you overlook some, you're going to end up paying too much money when you file your taxes, and that is one mistake the IRS will not catch for you.
Debbie Kutsavich carefully preps each homemade meal. In her home office, folders, papers, and receipts are all neatly stacked. Kutsavich is always organized, but especially at tax time, she believes in following a plan.
I know that that's probably a four-letter dirty word for some people.
Sometimes, no matter how prepared you are, there's something you've overlooked. Experts say the U.S. tax code is overwhelming and changes almost daily. It's over 70,000 pages in paper.
If you fail to check your itemized deductions and just take the standard, you might be leaving money on the table.
Medical costs are tax deductible. Your health insurance premiums, dental care, glasses, counseling, and therapy all count. Also, you can write off miles driven to medical appointments.
They are deductible to the extent they exceed a certain threshold, and that percentage is 7.5% of your adjusted gross income.
Education costs are often overlooked. Parents paying for college can take a tuition and fee deduction of up to $4,000. Even grad students can earn a break with a lifetime learning credit. That adds up to $2,000 each additional year of college. Hunting for a job? You can claim the expense and you can put money into your IRA up until April 14th and not be taxed on that money. Just a few of the most overlooked deductions, all part of a good recipe for getting money back this tax season.
Experts also say if you've loaned someone money and you don't get repaid, you could qualify for a non-business bad debt tax deduction. You could claim a loss of up to $3,000 a year.
Another thing to pay close attention to, sending red flags that could make you a likely target to be audited. Things like large charitable deductions. If your charitable deductions are disproportionately large compared to your income, well, the IRS may become suspicious. Claiming a 100% business use on a car. It is highly unusual to use a car for business purposes 100% of the time, especially if it is the individual's only automobile. When using a car for business, make detailed logs of mileage, the data, and the purpose. Higher salary, higher risk of audits. The average individual audit rate is slightly over 1%. But if you make more than $200,000 a year, that rate jumps to 3.99%. And for people with an income of over $1 million, like Jimmy, the chance of being audited is 1 in 8.
I better check my numbers, huh?
Yes. Still to come on Delmarva Life, most of us know someone who has or had breast cancer. Maybe you've had your own battle with the disease.
People are diagnosed with breast cancer all the time. You have a chance to help those impacted by the disease at the Coleman, Maryland Ocean City Race for the Cure. We're going to learn more next.
But first, while we're talking health, Dr. Oz says it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle while you're on vacation.
Hi, I'm Dr. Oz. Taking a vacation not only helps you escape the daily grind, but also allows you to experience life anew. To stay hydrated while traveling, drink coconut water loaded with electrolytes. Get your daily workout by sightseeing on foot and skip the pina colada loaded with calories for a glass of red wine.